Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we've got the latest gaming and tech updates you need to know for 2026. We're covering AYANEO's major customer service improvements, new GTA Online updates including free properties and triple rewards, Razer's AI-powered Project Motoko wearable reveal, and the newest EA Sports FC 26 title update with gameplay upgrades. Stick around for all the details and what it means for gamers and tech fans. AYANEO is committed to improving its services in 2026, and their new plan is a testament to that. If repairs take longer than 3 months, AYANEO will now offer a brand new replacement unit, or allow you to upgrade to another product by paying the price difference. They're also developing an internal customer support ticket system, which will allow users to submit after-sales requests, track repair progress, and communicate more easily with customer service. This is a huge step forward for transparency and efficiency. AYANEO is also working on expanding local repair services for products like the Pocket Air Mini, making it easier for users to get their devices fixed quickly. This is fantastic news for AYANEO fans, and it shows the company's dedication to providing top-notch customer service. GTA Online is kicking off 2026 with some incredible updates. GTA Plus members can get early access to the new Pfister Astrale Sports Classic, a sleek and stylish addition to your garage. Everyone can claim a free hands-on car wash property, perfect for keeping your vehicles in top condition. Plus, enjoy 3 extra rewards on legal money fronts, giving you even more ways to earn in-game cash. These updates are a great way to start the new year, and Rockstar is delivering as always. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore grinder, there's something for everyone in GTA Online. Razer is taking gaming to the next level with Project Motoko, an AI-native wearable powered by Snapdragon. This innovative device is designed to enhance your gaming experience with AI-driven features and seamless integration. Razer also unveiled a new AI gaming ecosystem, bringing together hardware, software, and AI to create a more immersive and intelligent gaming experience. From smarter peripherals to AI-powered gameplay enhancements, Razer is leading the charge into the future of gaming. This is a game changer for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike, and it's just the beginning of what's possible with AI in gaming. EA Sports FC 26 is kicking off 2026 with a bang thanks to title update v1.0. This update brings a host of new features and improvements, including gameplay enhancements, new animations, and refined mechanics. Whether you're playing Career Mode, Ultimate Team, or Volta, this update is designed to make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. EA is committed to delivering the best football gaming experience, and this update is a testament to that. If you're a fan of EA Sports FC 26, this is an update you won't want to miss. That wraps up today's news roundup. If you enjoyed the updates on AYANEO service changes, GTA Online new content, Razer's AI gaming wearable, and the EA Sports FC 26 update, hit like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment and tell us which story you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.